Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we back with another quick weave, and before anybody asks, this is the hair I'm using. 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 Okay, now let's get to the video. So today I'm creating a two-tone quick weave, and basically I'm gonna have one side black and then I'm going to have the other side like a dirty blonde. So I'm just taking it out right now because I'm going to boil the tracks just so that it'll itch less to get all those chemicals out. I will boil this, the actual hair, but it's synthetic, so I'm not going to boil it because it'll mess up the yucky texture and it'll get nasty. So I'm just going to boil all four of these right now. And this is in the texture Kinky Perm, and this is 18-inch for both, and this is in, so y'all just got to trust me. But yes, this hair was $29.99 a pack. Let's go boil it. I really got cheated out of the bundle. Like, look how little this black bundle is compared to all the rest of them.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball.
Hey guys, so let's get into this quick weave. I already showed you what kind of hair it is, so if you did not see what kind of hair it is, just rewind a few seconds and you'll see what kind of hair it is, because I don't want questions in the comments asking what kind of hair it is. So I'm gonna put the blonde in the back, and I'm going to be putting the black. Wow, I just said the blonde and the black. Okay, so I'm putting the blonde in the back of my hair. That's a tongue twister. And I'll be putting the black in the front, and then I'll be doing, I'm pretty sure y'all seen it, the two little blonde pieces those will be in the front right here, because I'm doing a middle part. So y'all already know the routine, y'all already know what I do, how I do with these quick weaves. Nothing new. I already put I braided my hair because my hair is growing back and the ponytail is getting too bulky now. So now I'm back to braiding it down so it can be nice and flat like that. And yeah, I already cut the little hole, the two holes on the side. Oh, let me take this off. Yeah, I already cut the two holes on the side of my ear so it can lay flatter along the hairline. And I already put my protective shield on and my stocking. And I actually did not have a hair stocking. So, quarantine issues. Quarantine fix 101 when you're doing a quick weave. If you have some stockings, or if you have a Dollar Tree in the surrounding area, you can go get some stockings and then you could cut it midway and stretch it out with your hand and put it over your head, because that's basically what a hair cap is. That is what a hair cap is, actually. So that's what I did because I didn't have it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna double these tracks because I do not. This is literally like a quick weave. So if you don't know how to double the track, you just take the track, put some glue down, fold it in half. So it's basically two tracks in one. Like, that's what I'm about to do because I don't feel like doing this all day. Well, not all day, but I'm trying to make this quick. Ain't nobody got time. Actually, I got all the time in the world. This is just not what I want to do, so let's double it up. Let's double it up. Fill up the tracks. I mean, put glue on half the track. Fold it in half. Match it up. And then pull the tracks tight like so. So now it's like you making a sandwich. And then you let this dry for about a minute. 30 seconds to a minute. And then you add more glue. I got a fan right here, well, a heater, so mine's is pretty quick. Oops, shit. But you add more glue and then you just glue it on the edge.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread.
Okay guys, so when you're doubling the tracks, I also wanted to mention when you are laying them down on your cap, the side that you fold, try to alternate. So like the last track I laid down, I folded it on this side. So now I'm gonna take the folded side and put it this side, just to like make sure it don't get lumpy. You know, so when you run your fingers, and with this blonde hair, I'm really going up and up and up because I only want it to be in the back. Besides the two pieces that I'm gonna put in the front later on, but I only want it to be really in the back. So like when I lift the black hair, like if I toss my hair, you'll see the blonde. So I'm not gonna go like around my ears with it or anything like that. I actually only might use just this bundle. Oh no, because this hair is like the yucky texture, so I don't want it to be super with all this synthetic hair. So I think I'm gonna just use this one bundle and see how we do. So this is the last track.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
I'm starting with the black hair, and the black hair is way better, like it's flatter, so it's like less texture than the blonde hair. I guess because they didn't have to put so much product in it to get this color. So yeah, I'm about to install this, and I'm installing these tracks single tracks, so I am not doubling the tracks. I am not doubling the tracks.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Hey guys, so I forgot I was recording. So yeah. But anyways, I just started putting the blonde pieces in the front to get the look that I'm trying to achieve. So this is the style that I'm going for. And what I did is just part where my leave out was at, and then put a track right there of blonde hair. I might put two, but I'm about to put it down. I'm about to put the rest of my leave out down just to see how it looks. See if I need two or if one is enough. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. What y'all think?
Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions fall on me. Open up.
So like I said, just part it. Always make sure you still have enough to leave out. So literally it's like a thin piece over that. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna put no hair over it. I'm gonna just put another piece of blonde right there. So I'm gonna just basically put this on top of that piece. so it can be more vibrant. I gotta change my camera settings. Like, I look orange. Gosh, or is this lighting? Oh god damn. But yes, that's all I did, and I'm gonna do the same for the other side, and then I'll be back with the results. And I'm super happy with the outcome. It's just how I wanted it. Just how I wanted it. And then when you flip it under, the blonde come through. Period. Yes, that's it for the video, you guys. Thank you for watching. My lighting is just so messed up. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe. And get quarantine cute, because when you get yourself together, you just feel so much better. Even if you're not going nowhere, like some days you just gotta get yourself together as a woman, as a mother, as a single lady. Like, everybody look good. Everybody feel better when they look good. So y'all better get in tune to these YouTube videos and learn how to do y'all own hair. Period. Without further ado, that's it. Peace. See you in the next video.